Dave, this is Ed. It's about 20 after 3 or 3:30. We got into our room at about, I don't know, 2:30. And I wanted to record this to show you why I left my new room in my underwear, to show you why I left. I hope John is still swallowing a cat that's suffocating, otherwise known as Snoring. Here I go. As you can see or in here, John is a great guy. We had an amazing chat. We really got to know each other. The guy's a genius. He'll probably learn a lot about selling rugs, and also about snoring, because he's like Old Faithful, man. It was like every 30 seconds. So I'm going to my new room. I'm really tired. It was $79, and I'll freaking pay for it if I have to, but I couldn't sleep. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.